Today, we're making easy Valentine's Day treats. You'll need 1 block of softened cream cheese, we're going to go ahead and give that a mix. One box of strawberry cake mix, and we're going to add this a little at a time. This is wanting to fly out of the bowl just a little bit. In that case, I'm going to drape a towel over it. After everything's combined, you should have a dough-like consistency. I'm going to scoop these out with a melon ball scooper. Sometimes I'll plop them in my hand and just roll them into small little balls. And we're going to go ahead and place these. Now, sometimes I also just pinch a little piece off. Nothing fancy. You just want to get these rolled and plop them down. We got almost 4 dozen out of this batch. We're going to go ahead and pop them in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes. While the sweet treats are chilling in the freezer, we're going to go ahead and melt our chocolate. Now I'm using white melting wafers, and it is perfect for any kind of coating. Also, one other little trick is that I use just a little bit of coconut oil, and that helps them to be really nice and glossy. So 30-second intervals and stirring in between is extremely important, because if not, your chocolate or your melting wafers will seize up on you and it'll become useless. So it's a really important thing to remember. It takes about 1.5 minutes and it comes out just perfect. I like to dunk about 3 at a time. It just helps things to move faster, and I have learned over doing this for a while that actually 2 forks makes it a little easier, I think. And one of these big meat forks actually works well. Some people use toothpicks, some people use skewers, and sometimes you can kind of toss them back and forth, and that just helps them to slide off easier. A wide fork or a big dinner fork with wide tines helps that chocolate to really drain. I just kind of wiggle that fork back and forth. And if you have too much chocolate, you'll end up with what they call a foot. It'll be like footed on the bottom, which you can go in later and kind of break that off. All right, so 3 more. Now, the reason that we put these in the freezer to begin with is because we're dealing with cream cheese, and we just want that to harden up. Sometimes if they're too soft, they'll fall apart on you in that warm chocolate. So that's why. Just adding that little bit of time in the freezer really makes all the difference in the world. And that's going to do it, y'all, for these easy Valentine's Day treats. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if so, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as it does help me to continue to grow my channel and bring more content like this to you. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. I'll see you next time.